Now we will use a specific property of similarity, that is similarity in case of area and similarity in case of volume. For two similar figures, the ratio of their area is equal to the square of the ratio of their length, and the ratio of volume of two similar figures is equal to the cube of ratio of their length. For example, I have written here two questions. Given that triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar and BC equal to 6 cm and EF equal to 2 cm. If the area of triangle ABC is 10 cm square, you need to find the area of the triangle DEF. We call the area of triangle ABC to be A1 and the area of triangle DEF to be A2. We are given that A1 equal to 10, A2 equals to what? This is L1 and this is L2. We know that A1 by A2 equal to L1 by L2 whole square. A1 is 10, A2 is unknown, L1 6, L2 2 whole square. That means 3 square, that means 9. Therefore 10 by 9 equal to A2. Therefore area of the triangle DEF is 10 by 9 centimeter square. Now question number 2. If the ratio of the heights of two identical cones is 5:2, what is the ratio of their volume? A few moments earlier, you learned a new formula for similarity, V1 by V2 equal to L1 by L2 whole cube. The cones are identical, that means they are similar. Therefore, we can use this formula V1 by V2 equal to L1 by L2 whole cube. The ratio of length, that means the ratio of height. So, L1 by L2 is 5 by 2 whole cube. That means this is our answer. This type of questions, the question I showed you right now, they appear very frequently in your O-level exam and you need to solve them using this formula and this formula. Especially this type of questions appear in paper 2. Sometimes it may appear in paper 1 also.